Hey, what's up guys, Dave here about another video, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and a full review of it. So yeah guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and if you end up watching the video, give me a thumbs up. I'll be grateful for that. Right, so let's go ahead with the unboxing. I've actually been using the device already, so I'll just repackage it for you guys. Yeah, you get the full unboxing experience right there. So basically you get this box that contains your case, but maybe this is only for this market. I've seen a lot of unboxings where there's no case in the box, so yeah, it'll be like if you find one inside there. So particular markets, not all. Right, the other thing that you get is the phone. Obviously it's already turned on, obviously, because I've been using it to be able to review it for you guys. Right, so the other thing that you get is a 15-watt charger in the box and a USB-C to USB-A cable right there, and that's basically all that you get in the box. Right, so let's go ahead and unwrap the phone itself. So this is awesome white color, as Samsung likes to call it. Awesome white. Okay, so the other thing I want to do is try out the case for you guys. Let's do that. Try on the case for you guys. And it's a snug fit, really nice. It does look good. It will be personal preference. I personally don't like these whatever gel cases because of their color changes. Okay, so moving on to the full review. So the first thing I'll be talking about is the display on this. The display is Super AMOLED 120Hz, and I'll say that it's going to be a joy using this one. Yeah, I really loved it. You know, moving from the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, I'll say that this is a better experience. It's really well optimized, and having One UI 4 as well, really lovely. Very smooth, you know, and yeah, it's really well optimized, and it's going to be a good experience using this. You know, having that very powerful chip as well, the 778G Snapdragon, is also going to contribute to the user experience, you know. And I'll say that I can't fault this one really, other than the brightness. The brightness of the display is not as good outdoors. Yeah, they could have done better with that, but yeah, you can't expect too much at this price point, especially from Samsung. Yeah. So the other thing I want to talk about is the software, which I actually talked about a little bit already, but yeah, the software on this is really good. One UI 4 with Android 12. So obviously out of the box it comes with an Android 11, but yeah, the Android 12 update is already out. Yeah, it's been out for a while actually. Yeah. So you on the software front, I'll say that software is really good, as you can expect from whatever from One UI, and I can't really fault it. I really like it, and I think it's my favorite UI when it comes to Android. Yeah, just beats out whatever the stock Android experience from the Pixel phones. Yeah, One UI is just my favorite skin, to be honest. Yeah, and that's something that I really missed while I was using the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max because of this lack of optimization. But yeah, I'm going to be comparing those two phones, as I've said already, I think. So you guys should subscribe for that. So yeah, moving on to the cameras. The cameras on this phone are actually underwhelming for me. I think they're the weakest point. So if you're a person who is buying this phone with a target of using the cameras, I think you might be disappointed a little bit. So the cameras are not terrible, but you would expect better from this, honestly. Yeah, especially when it comes to video recording, especially in low light situations. I don't know what it is, but yeah, the algorithm kind of struggles to optimize it, like to record properly. Yeah, but obviously the only good thing is you have whatever the Pro Video mode, which you can set up yourself, you know, to suit your whatever the conditions, and give you a better quality of video. Actually, not everyone is going to do that, so yeah, I'll say that the video quality on this, especially in low light, is not really the best, and also the pictures are not exceptional really. Yeah, like you would expect to be like this price range from Samsung. Yeah, So about the cameras, I'll say they're okay, but they're nothing exceptional really. So yeah, don't expect too much from the cameras on this phone. Not that they're bad or anything, but yeah, maybe you can get better at this price point really. For the cameras, actually, if you're looking for good camera quality, you can go for use flagships, the likes of the S20 and S20 Plus. I think those phones will offer far superior camera quality than this phone. Yeah, so that's for the cameras. Yeah, and actually it doesn't have whatever 2x optical zoom camera, so it only has an ultra wide and yeah, the main sensor as well as a macro camera and the depth sensor, which is actually useless to me. Don't see use for that. So yeah, that's it with the cameras. Then the other thing I want to talk about is the performance in particular. The performance on this is really, really good. Yeah, as you would expect, obviously. The 778G Snapdragon is a really good chipset. I think it's the highest end chipset in the mid-range series of Snapdragon, and it's really good. Performs really nicely, especially in games and all that. I'm only disappointed with this application here, KineMaster. Actually, it only supports up to 1080p and only 2 layers of 1080p, which is kind of surprising, but I think that's a problem to do with optimization. Because I mean, this phones with what chipsets, phones with whatever worst chipsets that can edit up to 7 layers, like the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Yeah, basically I think that's to do with optimization. But yeah, when it comes to the performance front, you're not going to have many issues with this. I think in most games, yeah, you can play them at the highest graphics settings, at the likes of play PES at high graphics settings, and I had no issues. I'm actually going to be making a gaming review of the device as well, coming up soon. Subscribe for that. Whereas the other thing I want to talk about is the battery. The battery in this is not really impressive. I'll say it's just okay, you know. I didn't really expect a lot from it, you know, having 120 Hz. And lately I've been busy, so I haven't really been on the phone all the time, but from my experience, I haven't really got any issues with it. There's no cause for concern. The battery is okay, but it's not exceptional. Yeah. And actually, you can turn off the 120 Hz if you really need to. Yeah. You need the phone to stay on for longer. Yeah, you can turn off that, but from my experience using it with 120 Hz, I'll say it's okay. It's nothing exceptional, but it's okay. Yeah. It's not terrible battery life. It's okay battery life. It's not iPhone 13 Pro Max good, but yeah, it's still not terrible. So yeah, that's about the battery life, and you still obviously get a 25-watt charging as a maximum, but you don't get the charger in the box, so you must have that with you or buy it separately. In the box you only get 15-watt charger, so you won't be using it up so fast. Yeah. And talking about the fingerprint, so the fingerprint is I'll say is okay. So it's in display. I haven't really gotten any issues with it, except for when your hands are cold. Obviously, that's an issue that has been there with all these types of fingerprints that are embedded in the display. When your hands are dry, like they see, I don't know how to describe it, like when they're cold, okay, yeah, you kind of struggle to use it and unlock. Good enough, you also have a face unlock. They get it right there, and it's quite fast and secure, right? Yeah. So that's it about the biometrics, and the extra things that you get on this phone is the IP67 water resistance, which is good for your confidence. You know, I don't go plunging your phone in water. So it's a risk even when you have an IP rating. Right. So I think that's basically all about this device, and I'm going to be making a lot of other videos on it, and then the a52s is about to launch as well, so if I get my hands on that, I'll be comparing these two, and you guys will subscribe for that as well. I will be doing a gaming review as well, and probably, depending on how these videos yeah, perform, I might also do a camera review. Right, so I think that's basically all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.